Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Siri. I am a cabin crew. So for today's video, I'm going to show you a little bit here in London because I'm now here in London. Actually, I just got home from the city center. I just got back to the hotel from the city center. I met my friend. I landed here in London like 6 a.m. in the morning. I got at the hotel 7. I slept like 8 a.m. until 1 p.m. And then after I woke up, I eat and then get ready to go out in the city. But I think I went out in the city. I was in Westminster. I don't know how to pronounce it properly. Westminster. I went to the Big Ben. Like I was there around 5 p.m. and then I met my friend 6 p.m.
Bes, baka yumaman ka naman na yan, ha? Ha? Baka naman yumaman ka na yan.
Kanina ka pa?
Hindi, sakto lang.
Nakabili ka?
Oo, nakabili. Pagdating kasi doon, walang
Dito sa
internet.
Dito sa...
Super drug.
Sa loob din?
Sa loob din.
Okay, wait. Nasaan tayo?
Kayo? Oo. For the kwento si Ate Caris mo sa London. Pwede ba tumawid? So, hindi ka nakatulog?
Nag-airpods ako. Hanggang sa nalawad na yung airpods ko. Medyo nakatulog ko tayo. Yun, nasa likod ko kasi eh. So, dinig ko pala eh.
And then we went for dinner. And then after dinner, we just walk around, take pictures, and that's it. here in London is 24 hours only. So tomorrow I'm going back to Abu Dhabi. So now I need to rest. So I'll just fix my things, I'll remove my makeup, do my skincare, and sleep. And tomorrow, go back to Abu Dhabi. So that's it, guys. This vlog will be so short because I didn't take videos a lot for this trip. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I don't know if I'm going to upload this as well, so just in case, this is the intro and outro. Thank you guys for watching. This is Yuri, your cabin crew. And if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my layovers. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next layover. Bye! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we just landed now here in Hong Kong, and current time here is 10:29 in the morning. Abu Dhabi time it's 6:29 a.m. So join me in this layover. But I think for this time, because I have another Hong Kong that is like 48 hours, so now I only have like 30 hours, just one day here in Hong Kong. So I think it will be a short video, short vlog, or I don't know if, but I want to show you my room. It's so nice. Look at my view. Amazing. See? So pretty. I can do it like here.
Yeah, it's video. Finally,
Girl, sis, huwag kang umalis dyan. Mark?
Mamaya ano siya.
Dito ka, dito ka.
Ano lang sis.
She has to counter. Oh yeah, yeah. Like this.
There you go.
That's enough.
把抖应该讲把那些拜拜。
Yung bait eh dito.